Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to schedule an email on Outlook in 2023. Microsoft's Outlook is a popular email client that offers a variety of features to enhance your productivity. On such feature is the ability to schedule emails, which can be extremely helpful when you want to send messages at specific times or plan ahead. So in this step-by-step guide, we'll show you how to schedule an email on Outlook. So let's dive right into it and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, let's start by opening whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave browser, and of course in your case you can use any other browser that you could possibly have. Of course, if you even have the Outlook app, it will be even great. So depending on whatever you want, you can use it on the browser or in the app. So as an example, if you have a browser, go to the URL section and simply type Outlook, uh, outlook.com and hit the enter button. Once you do so, this will normally take you to the home screen or main screen right away. If you have an account, make sure to go and click on sign in into it, and here you'll be able to sign into your account. So for me as an example, let me just go and sign in into my account. And of course, in the meanwhile, let me just go and open Outlook here as the app on my PC. So as you can see, I'll show you how to do it on the browser and even on the app. So if you have the app, just go and open it up. If you don't have the app, you can simply go and follow the steps from the browser. So let me just go and log in into my account here, and I'm coming back. So as an example here, I'm logging into my account. Of course, it's a different account from here, but it's not going to be a big deal. So once you are here, of course, or once you open your Outlook, the app or the browser, you'll have to compose a new email. So click on new email. As you can see, for the app, you'll find it here. And for the browser, you'll gonna find it in the same place. So as you can see here, let's just have this pop out here. And for the browser, it's gonna be this. So of course, from here, you'll have to compose your email. So in the new email window, you can compose your email as you would normally, including the recipient's email address, subjects, and the email body. So as example here, two, I'm just going to type here like a test at gmail as example.com. Of course, for you, make sure to add the accurate email. You can add your CC and subjects. I'm going to do like test again. And here in the body, of course, I'm just going to type as example whatever I want. And simply after that, of course, you can, as we said, have your email as you want. And once you finish your composing your email, of course, you'll have to go and access now the options tab. Of course, you'll have to do the same here. So add the email that you want as an example. So test.gmail.com. And here CC you can add it. So subjects, I'm just going to put test. Here, of course, I'm going to put whatever it is here. And finally, now we will have to go and go to the options. So where you will find the option. As you can see, normally here on the browser, instead of clicking on send, you'll have to click on this drop down menu or this option here. So click on it, and as you can see, you'll be able to click on schedule send. If you click on schedule sends, as you can see, you'll be able to choose if you want tomorrow morning, Sunday morning, or click on even custom time, and you'll be able to choose whatever time you want. So you can even send it in the next year or whatever you want. So as an example, you can select whatever time you want. So as an example, tomorrow, and at the time that we want. So at 10 p.m. as example, and click on send. Once you click on send, this email will be sent at 10 a.m. tomorrow. And of course, you can even for you choose another time if you want to. This is going to be for the browser. For the app, as an example, once you go here, as you can see, we don't have here like a drop down that you can choose from. So as you can see, we have here just sent directly. If we go to options here, as example, we'll not even find the option to schedule send. So as you can see, we have just themes, colors, fonts, effects, page color, encrypt, and use voting buttons. If you go and click here as an example, so we don't have any scheduling option. So if you click on message option, as you can see, there's nothing here. So it's a bit different from the browser. As you can see, you will not find schedule option, but you will find this delayed delivery. If you click on it, as you can see, you'll find these options right here. So once you open like delay delivery settings option, and of course this feature will enable you to schedule the email when it will be sent. And you can simply from here set the delivery dates and time. So once you click on delivery, of course, you'll be able from here to choose, as you can see, do not deliver before. So from here, you'll be able to choose the time. As an example, before Wednesday, the 26th. And here, you'll be able to choose the time. So depending on whatever time you want, as an example, at 7 p.m. And you can even expire it. You can enable this option of expiring it. So like the email will be delivered at this time. And you can go and enable this option that the email will be expired at the time that you can choose. You can even save a copy of the sent email if you want to. You can choose the contacts here. You can choose some categories if you want to. You can do other options or add other options. You can see you can change security settings for this message. Importance is it's normal, low, high, sensitivity, personal, private, confidential. Do not auto archive this item. You can check this option. So voting and tracking option. Use voting buttons if you want to request a delivery receipt for this email and request a read receipt for this message. Once you're done with everything here, you can simply go and hit the confirm and send or simply the enter button. Once you do so, of course, once you set up your delay everything, hit the enter button and simply click on send. Once you do so, of course, for here's an example, once you click on send this example, so no valid email account. Okay, it's not going to be a big problem. So because I just like use a random one. And here, of course, once you click on send, you'll be able to schedule it instead of click on send. So as you can see, they will ask you if you want to schedule it. And you will be after that be good to go. So you can after that, of course, even verify the scheduled email. To double check your scheduled email, you can go to the Outbox folder and you should see the email with the scheduled sending time displayed next to it. So no. And of course, from here as an example, you can go to Outbox and see if you have your scheduled email here, if you send it. If it's not, that means it did not get scheduled and it may be sent now, or you just have a problem and it's not sent. You can even edit or delete the scheduled emails whenever you want on the Outbox here. Of course, the same is going to be for the browser. After that, of course, you can monitor your scheduling emails whenever you want. So at the scheduled time approach, Outlook will automatically send your email and you can close Outlook and the email will be delivered on time. So there you have it. A straightforward guide on how to schedule an email on Outlook in 2023 in the browser and even on the app. So you can manage your communication more efficiently and send emails at the most appropriate times. Whether you're planning ahead or accommodating different time zones, scheduling emails in Outlook is a valuable tool to have in your productivity arsenal. So happy emailing, and you may your inbox be filled with the well-timed messages. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.